Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Okay. So in the last video we studied chapter number 4 of grammar, that is pronouns. Okay. So today we are going to move with the further exercises. Okay. Exercise A and B we solved in the last video. Today we are going to solve exercise C, which is given in your page number 25. Read the following notes. Underline the pronouns in the notes. Sorry. I am very sorry. I dropped your glasses, Grandma. They were under the newspaper and I didn't notice them, Mac. So here, what you have to do, you have to underline pronouns. So you all know what are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used instead of nouns. So here, I, then your, they, and I, them. These are personal pronouns. Similarly, here also you have to underline the personal pronouns. Thanks. Thank you for inviting my friends and me to your play. We enjoyed ourselves a lot. They think you act very well. Who played the role of Mad Hatter? Where did he learn to act so well? Wow. Post. So here, what are the pronouns? You, my, me, your, we, they, you, and he. This all are the pronouns. Okay, you can tick in your textbook. Now, exercise number D. Fill in the blanks with correct form of pronouns. Here you have to fill in the blanks and options are already given. So it is very easy. First one, please don't throw stones at dogs because dash get hurt. So here you can see dogs. Dogs means it is plural. So more dogs are there. So what you will use? You will use they. If more person or more things or more animals are there, what we are using? We are using they. Okay, next one. Dash told me dash to eat my vegetables. Now see, here someone else must be telling. So here she told, to whom she told? She told me only. So she told me to eat my vegetables. Third one, dash beat dash at football because dash were school champions. So here, first of all, they beat. Now they beat whom in football? They beat us because they were school champions. Here, see, in football, it is a team. So there are more persons. So we will use they. They beat us at football because they were good or they were school champions. Okay. Next one. The person said that Dash had met Dash before. So he had met me before. The man said that he had met me before. Fifth one, Kavya told Martin that Dash could borrow her car. Here what will come? Martin is a boy. So here we will use he. He could borrow her car. See, if you have already done this exercise, then you can check your answers. Now, in your homework, I have sent you one worksheet. So let us solve that worksheet. See, this all worksheets which I am sending you, you will be writing it in your rough book and you will be sending me the images. Textbook worksheets, I am not asking you to send the image, the extra worksheet which is for practice. This you need to send me in the application. Okay. Now, first one, would dash like some pizza. So if you are asking someone, then how you will ask, would you like some pizza? So here, what will come? You. Next one, may dash have some vegetables. So here what will come? May I have some vegetables? Please give dash some bread. So here what you will use? Please give me some bread. The soup is delicious. It is my favorite. Soup is a thing, so we will use it for that. My family loves tacos. Dash eat them every Sunday. See here, my family means more members are there. So here we eat them every Sunday. Not only I, but my whole family. So what we will say? We eat them every Sunday. My dad loves hamburgers. Dash always makes them. So here my dad loves. So my dad is a boy. So he always makes them. Okay, clear? So these are your answers. Now next topic is possessive pronouns. Now in the image you must be seeing the two persons are fighting for remote, right? So here we can say that one boy is telling to girl that no, it's mine. Then others say no, it's not yours, it's mine. So this way, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs, this all are included in possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. If you own that thing, means you are showing your ownership. So it's possessive pronoun. This pen is my pen, not your pen. This pen is mine, not yours. So here which are the possessive pronouns? Mine and yours. Mine and yours are the possessive pronoun. Okay, so how you will use mine? Here it is one example given. This is my laptop. It's mine. What you will say? This is my book. It's mine. Similarly, yours. These glasses are mine, not yours. If you are having something, then you will say this is my thing, not yours. Next one, his. This is my brother's book. It's his. Whose book it is? It's his book. For possession, what you are going to ask question? You will ask a question with whose. Next one is hers. He offered to swap his camera for hers. Then ours. I will show you to your room. Ours is next door. So my room is next door. If you want to say, then I will say that I will show you your room and ours room is next door. Yours. The house is yours. And then theirs. The ship is theirs. Okay, so this way you are going to use possessive pronouns. Then our next topic is demonstrative pronoun. A pronoun that points out a person, place, thing, or idea. These are called demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. Okay. So these words are used for demonstrating something. This is correct answer. That was not what you should have said. These are color choices for the flowers. Those belong to the track coach. So these are the examples. Now here more clearly if you want to see, then if anything is near to you, then you will use this. And if anything is far from you, then you will use that. This is an orange, that is an orange. See here orange is near, here orange is far. And if more oranges are there, then you will use these. Okay, then you will use this. This are oranges. Those are oranges. So for plural, you will use this, and for singular, this one. Okay. So always be careful. Now you understood the difference between this and this. This will be used for singular, and this will be used for plural. Okay, clear? So these are demonstrative pronouns. Now, next one is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative means question mark. Here you can see one question mark, right? So, interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. These are detectives of the pronoun group. If we say no, that this person is detective, he always used to ask questions. So these pronouns are called detectives in the pronoun group. They help the speaker find information by asking questions. What, which, who, whom, whose. These all are the examples. Then what is known about the case? Who is coming to the party? So these all are included in interrogative pronoun. Then next one is reflexive pronoun. Reflect means, see, in science you must have studied reflect, right? Incident reflect. So here what does it shows? That is reflect. A reflexive pronoun refers to a noun or another pronoun and indicates that the same person is involved. Here you can see one girl is reading book. So the woman found herself a book of folk tales. So here herself is a reflexive pronoun. Now let us understand from your book also one table is given. So what reflexive pronouns are used instead of the subject pronouns? So here instead of I, what you can use? You can use myself. Instead of you, if I say you have to do this, then what I will say, you do it yourself. Okay, yourself. Then he did it himself. She, then herself. It, itself. Here it is given, we are going to do our work ourselves. You are going to do your work yourself. So yourself is singular and yourselves is plural. They, themselves. Okay, so these are the reflexive pronouns. Now let us solve one exercise on page number 26. Read the story below. So these are our reflexive pronouns. Now, let us move further. Read the story below and fill in the blanks with the right reflexive pronoun. Here you have to use reflexive pronoun. First one I have already written. You can check. See now, Snow White blamed Dash for not listening to the dwarf. So here, whom she has blamed? She has blamed herself. So first, herself. Now she was lost in the forest. The dwarfs looked for Snow White everywhere. They returned home tired and told themselves. See, they is there, so what will come? Themselves. She must have gone out to entertain herself. She is there means herself will come. She will be back any time now. Yes, said the dwarf with the long beard. Here is some delicious cake. Snow White has baked for us. Let us help ourselves. Here, us is there means we all are there, so we have to help ourselves. The long-nosed dwarf was very sad. He could not get. Now here he is there. So what will come? Himself. He could not get himself to eat any cake. Oh, don't worry, said the dwarf with the long beard. Help yourself. Cheer up. She couldn't have hurt herself. So here whenever she is coming in the starting, you are using herself. Whenever they is coming means themselves. So this way you are going to solve the reflexive pronouns. Okay, clear? So I hope you are clear with today's video. See, practice all the definitions, learn it. Stay happy. Bye bye.